This 2025 Winnebago Ekko 23B is a Class C RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 24 feet 6 inches in length and features a Veredis, Sage, Panarea interior. Sleeps 5, microwave, auxiliary battery, water heater, air conditioning, smoke detector, stovetop burner, oven, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2025 Winnebago Ekko 23B is built on a Mercedes-Benz AWD Sprinter chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.